going for leg training event today.
तो के हाइट करी चले चलो लेग ट्रेनिंग करवा चलो
चला
What if I told you that I love you? Would you tell me that you love me back? What if I told you that I miss you? Would you tell me that you miss me back? What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I need you? Yeah. Would you tell me that you need me too? What if I told you that I love you? When you told me that you.
And here comes the main part of the video. Here the person was explaining about eco-bricks. Eco-bricks is an plastic bottle packed with used plastic to set a density. They serve as reusable building blocks. Eco-bricks can be used to produce various items including furniture, garden walls and other structures. So these bricks are built to prevent the disaster to occur. Basically we can't prevent the disaster of plastic, and this concept was of the Didi you can see standing beside him. She said that you will not be able to prevent the disaster, but you will be able to delay the disaster to a significant time by using these plastics and making eco bricks. How? See that even if you make these eco bricks, after a significant time the leakage of different harmful gases from the plastic will be there, and it will of course cause different types of harm to the human body. But the point is, it is a way to delay the disaster, and the only way to prevent it is to use less and less plastic.
अलगથી આપણે એને રખાવશું એવું પ્લાન કરશું જેથી કરીને વેસ્ટમાં ન જાય ટ્રેસમાં ન જાય અને બીજી હોટલ સાથે પણ ટાઈપ કરી રહ્યા છે બહુ એમને ફ્રીમાં હોટલ આપતા હોય છે ઘણી બધી હોટલમાં તો એ બધી આપણે એક કોલેબરેશન કરી અને એમાં નેક્સ્ટ આપણું ગ્રુપ છે લેગ ક્લિનિંગ તમે બધા જે રહો એમાં
What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me too? What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I love you?